Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over how to replace a water filter. This particular model is a Rockwood Mini Light. Not every camper is going to have a water filter, but if you do have a Rockwood brand series or a lot of the Forest River brand, they will have some kind of filter somewhere in the system. This particular model happens to have it in the back. When we bring them in and they come in from the manufacturer, they do not have the filters in them, but this is what your water filter will look like, something similar to this. They could be blue, they could be clear or white, but this is an inline filter for the whole system. If the filter was in there, which we don't put them in until the customer actually gets the unit, to take it out and replace it, you simply unscrew it. You can either use your hand or it has a tool that you can slide on from the bottom, and this will grab it and twist it. But you're going to take the filter all the way out. If there's any residual water in there, dump it out. Make sure you don't lose this O-ring on top. Drop the filter in. It has a little spot in the bottom where it'll hold it in place in the center. Then simply reinstall it the same way we took it out by screwing it back in there. Once you get it all screwed on, take your wrench, slide it on, and give it a good twist. Make sure it's nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it because it's all plastic, so you don't want to break anything. But the big things on the water filter, like I said, make sure that ring stays on top if you do take it out. If you don't have that in there, you will have leaks over time. But other than that, that's how you change your water filter. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.